Hello, my dear Virgo. Welcome back to Practical Mystic. Ngayon ay alamin natin kung ano ang mensahe sa iyo ng Divine, ng Poong May Kapal para sa buwan ng Nobyembre. So, let's dive in. Ang unang card para sa iyo mula sa Lightseer Tarot Deck ay tinatawag na Four of Wands. Okay? Dito sa Four of Wands, sinasabi dito na walang celebration na nangyayari kasi parang may hindi pagkakaunawaan between sa mayroong di pagkakaunawaan sa pagitan mo at ng ibang tao na mahalaga para sa iyo. Okay? Konting misunderstandings lang kaya walang celebration na nangyayari. And with the Four of Wands na fire energy is ito, the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles ay nangangahulugan na hindi aktibo yung root chakra mo. So, you need to do the yoga, meditation for you to activate your root chakra. Nakakatulong sa iyo na maging aktibo yung root chakra sa pamamagitan ng yoga para the more na maa-attract mo yung abundance ng universe para sa iyo. Okay? And ang iba sa inyo ay nakakatanggap ng masamang balita. Okay? And ito ay may kinalaman sa mga material na bagay. Okay? Or ang iba sa inyo ay hindi na materialize yung mga hinahangad mo na mga layunin, no? Yung mga goals mo, career goals ba yan, business goals, hindi mo siya na-achieve dahil kulang ka siguro ng strategiya, no? And or naging irresponsible ka lang talaga dahilan na hindi mo na-achieve yung career goals mo or ano pa na layunin mo sa buhay. Okay? And with the Four of Wands at saka Page of Pentacles na material earth energy is the King of Cups. The King of Cups na negative. King of Cups na negative. Alamin natin. King of Cups. A cunning figure who is adept at hiding his true feelings may interact with you, or you may be one deceiving yourself and not know how to regulate goodness and opportunism, calculation and gain. Clarity would be preferable to cunning and criticism of others. Seek a deep inner vision of the human limitations that may characterize you. So, ibig sabihin, parang masyado kang cunning sa ngayon, no? Iniisip mo yung anong maganda sa iyo, ano sa tingin mo ang mabuti, pero ikakasama ng ibang tao. So, dahil sa King of Cups na negative, ang nangyayari is, hindi mo na na-achieve yung goals mo sa buhay. Ma personal goals ba yan? Career goals? Relationship goals? Hindi siya naging successful dahil sa King of Cups na negative, no? You're very cunning. Parang sa tingin mo, maganda yung ginagawa mo. Parang sa tingin mo, ito ang dapat isipin para ikakabuti sa iyo. Pero parang hindi siya masyado maganda para sa ibang tao. Okay? So, dapat, ang huling advice sa iyo is, seek a deep inner vision of the human limitations that may characterize you. Okay? You need to reflect. I think you need to become a hermit so that you can do better, something better for your life, and overcome this page of pentacles. Overcome this being a page of pentacles. Next is the King of Wands. Itong King of Wands, this is actually an intellectual, passionate fire energy. The Wands is more of it's more of our creativity, talents, skills, passion, habits, interest, creative pursuits. So, ibig sabihin, napaka-motivated ka ngayon. You have strong inner drive within you to pursue something which is actually opposite dito sa King of Cups at saka dito sa Page of Pentacles. Malakas ka ngayon, you are very motivated. Kaya nga nandyan lang sa likod yung lion. So tinatalikuran mo yung mga bagay na ikinatatakot mo, or yung mga nalagpasan mong talikuran yung mga bagay na ikinatatakutan mo, or tinatalikuran mo yung mga tao na may tangkang sirain yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Okay? Malakas ka ngayon, nandito sa harapan ka, you are very motivated, you have a strong drive, since you have the King of Wands with a fire here. So, kaya mo talagang labanan itong leon na ito, if ever man na aatakihin ka ulit. Yun. With the King of Wands, ang ganda. You have the Magician. Actually, this is the first Arcana card dito sa reading na to. The Magician, ibig sabihin, you're an alchemist this time. Maganda kasi creative ka, talented ka ngayon, no? Malakas yung inner drive mo. You're very motivated. You can continue pursuing your creative passions or creative pursuits, no? You have all the resources that you need, whether it is inner or outer. Maganda ito dahil available ka sa mga resources. Itong mga halaman na ito, sumusumbolo ito sa mga kakailanganin mo mga kagamitan, no? Resources. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda dito is, meron kang pentacle, which is a material earth energy. Meron kang cups or kupa dito, which is symbolizing the emotional water energy. Kinakailangan mo din yung espada, no? Yung espada, it is actually intellectual air energy. At meron ka ding wands. Wow, ang ganda. Wands representing the creative, the passionate fire energy. So, lahat, kompleto ka. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa kasi meron kang pentacle, meron kang cups, meron kang wand, at saka sword. No? At, hindi lang yan. Marami pang resources na ibibigay sa iyo ng universe dito sa itaas, no? At saka, ang pinakamaganda is itong infinity. Nakikita mo ba yung infinity dyan sa itaas niya? It symbolizes, infinite possibility for you, no? Parang eternity, no? Parang, walang katapusan na posibilidad na magagawa mo sa buhay, okay? Ang ganda. And, this is saying na very activated yung root chakra mo, okay? 1, okay? The number 1 could be significant for you. I-try mo lang na itaya sa last ko, no? 01 or 10. Next is the Page of Cups. The Page of Cups na negative. Hanapin natin. Okay. Page of Cups is saying that creativity is in a sharp decline. So you are stuck in the misuse of sexual or emotional energies and maybe increasingly so. Small or medium-sized crisis may find you a passive witness with little ability to change what will happen. Growing emotionally rather than always blaming bad luck could help. Okay, so ibig sabihin na hindi ka talaga creative this time, hindi ka masyado maabilidad, pero parang sinasabi dito na kaya mo naman yang baguhin kung gugustuhin mo, no? Kaya mong lagpasan itong sitwasyon na parang stuck ka talaga this time, stuck in the rut. Malalagpasan mo talaga ito kung gugustuhin mo. Actually, sa sarili mo, ikaw ay isang alchemist, no? Isa kang salamangkero. You're the magician. You can do everything that you want to do. As long as you want to do it, no? So, kung gugustuhin talaga, maraming paraan. Pero kung hindi, marami ding mga palusot or maraming mga dahilan, diba? And then next is the death and rebirth. This is number 13. I-try mo, baka lucky number mo yung 13 or 31. I-try mo, taya mo sa last ko. Okay, so death and rebirth. Parang double confirmation ito dito sa Page of Cups na totally you are stuck. You never change. you're still staying in the same place, the same people, the same situation, the same circumstance, the same status, the same attitude. So if you have the same attitude, the same mentality, the same belief, then there's no change at all, no? Kung hindi nagbabago yung isip mo, yung outlook mo sa buhay, wala talagang pagbabago na mangyayari or darating sa buhay mo. So, you are totally not progressing at all this time. You're totally stuck. Pero kung gustuhin mo talagang magbago, mangyayari talaga yung gusto mo. Pagbabago. Okay? And anyway, so hindi ka lang pala stuck, kundi imbalance ka rin pala. You do not have balanced third eye chakra this time. Okay? You lack balance, no? You lack organization, and definitely experiencing financial decisions, no? Parang ang iba sa inyo hindi masyado wais sa paggasta ng pera, no? Gasta doon, gasta dito, bayad doon, bili doon, bibili na naman mamaya hanggang sa maubos-ubos yung pera mo. So, dapat, kailangan talaga ng wisdom or karunungan para magamit yung pera sa mabuting pamamaraan at hindi maubos agad. With the death and rebirth in reverse at saka Two of Pentacles na in reverse is meron din tayong the Fool in negative. Okay. The Fool. Movement is not always propitious. Trust others. Beware of those who push you toward places or situations that could harm you. It is probably wiser to wait for better times in which you will have more energy, less recklessness, and less haste. Okay. Itong the Fool na ito, nangangahulugan na hindi sa lahat ng panahon kailangan mong magmadali, no? Maghintay ka rin, no? Hindi nang basta-basta ka lang kikilos. Okay? At mag-ingat ka sa mga tao na tinutulak ka sa parang tinutulak ka paabante, no, sa iyong sitwasyon, tinutulak ka sa iyong sitwasyon, sa lugar or sa mga bagay na makakasama sa iyo, na makakapahamak sa iyo, no. So mag-ingat ka sa mga taong ito, and it is probably wiser, no, mas mahusay or mas magaling na maghintay ka sa tamang panahon na kung saan makakalikom ka ng dagdag enerhiya, lakas ng loob, at para mababawasan din yung pagmamadali natin na parang kulang sa yung nagmamadali na parang magiging tanga, parang gano'n. So, para hindi tayo magiging tanga, hindi tayo magmadali ng masyado. Hintayin natin yung perfect na timing, okay? And with that, ang unang karma card sa'yo is about planets. And the planet is Venus. So, ang mensahe sa iyong kaluluwa is, make attraction. And for the mind, think of something pleasurable. And physically, about good times. Okay. So, mag-isip ka yung mga tungkol sa mga good times na meron ka na ikakasaya sa iyong puso. At by that, siguro ang purpose niyan is to attract vibration of happiness, no? And the more you project such vibration of happiness from your heart chakra, the universe is going to project the same frequency. No? The more na ibibigay sa iyo yung bagay na ikakabuti sa iyo. Okay, and second karma card is planets, about planets, and it's the North Node. In the North Node. Ang mensahe sa iyong kaluluwa is magtiwala ka lang, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, sa iyong kakayahan, and on your mind, huwag kang mag-isip ng ano paman. Do not think about situations that can provoke you to worry, no? Huwag kang mag-isip ng mga bagay na ikakapangamba mo, no? Huwag kang mangamba masyado, no? Kalimutan mo muna yan sa iyong isipan. At sa physical aspeto is, now is the time to do something, to change something. Now is the time to believe in yourself, that you are powerful, that you are a magician, that you can do everything that you want to do. Now is the time to have faith in yourself that you can, and eliminate worries that lingers in your mind. No? And next to that, the third karma card is the signs, and it is Scorpio. Scorpio, the message to your soul is, you need to pray. Pray so that you can feel an extraordinary power from you, okay? Realizing that you are strong, that you are a magician. Continue to pray. There are lots of benefits through prayer, no? Prayer can heal your heart. Prayer can boost your relationship with God. Prayer can increase your spiritual aspect. Prayer can lift people's burden. Prayer can send your prayer can answers question through prayer. It can help you inform God about your wishes, dreams, and desires in your heart, and many more. Okay? And the most important thing is that through prayer, you're able to discover your potential, your extraordinary power. And realizing that prayer is really powerful. It has extraordinary power also. And to your mental aspect is that um, continue to think positive and control the situation. Kung nakikita mo yan, may ahas dito sa gitna at saka may scorpion dito, pareha lang sila na mababangis at saka nakakahilo yung kanilang mga lason, yung venom sa kanilang katawan. They're just the same. So, ibig sabihin, pray to God, and through prayer, it can help you to access your spiritual awakening, your physical strength, and able to gain wisdom on how to control the situation. Just like this one, the snake is being surrounded by the scorpion. So think, pray for possibilities in life na nakakatulong sa'yo. I mean, prayer is the key for you to be wise and think of the best solution in order to control the situation. In this case na pinapalibutan ka ng scorpion, so through prayer you can access the answer which can help you control the situation, no? Which can help you escape from the attacks of the scorpions. Okay? And for the powerful thought cards, the first card there says, Divine wisdom guides you. Wow, maganda ito. Matatanggap mo yung wisdom, yung karunungan ng Poong May Kapal sa pamamagitan ng pananalangin. Okay, so pray, continue to pray until you receive the wisdom from God, which can help you to be guided. Affirm this to yourself that you are guided throughout this day in making the right choices. The divine intelligence continuously guide you in the realization of your goals, and you are safe also. Your income is constantly increasing. Wow, ang ganda. Kaya lang, pinapaalala ka dito sa, itong Two of Pentacles in reverse na, gamitin mo yung pera sa, mabuting paraan, no? I mean, wag maggasta ng masyado, no? Wag nang bayad dito, bayad doon, bili dito. Dapat, gagamitin mo yung pera sa mas wais na pamamaraan para hindi ka maubusan ng pera. Okay? And affirm this to yourself. You begin now and today to open yourself to ever-increasing prosperity. Wow! Again, affirm this to yourself. I begin now today to open myself to an ever-increasing prosperity. Yeah. And the third card from the Powerful Thought cards of Louise Hay is that I am at peace with my sexuality. So, kontento ka na ngayon kung sino ka sa sexual na aspeto. Affirm this to yourself that you rejoice in your sexuality and in your own body. Your body is perfect for you in this lifetime. You embrace yourself with love and compassion. Wow, ang ganda. So, manalig ka lang. Continue to pray so that you can receive the wisdom from God and realizing that you are the magician, that you are actually protected. It's just that you need to be wise. You need the wisdom from God through prayer in order to control this situation. So that you can think of a solution strategy to escape yourself from the traumatic attacks of the world represented by the Scorpion. Okay? So this is what I have for you, my dear Virgo. See you in the next reading. Love and light.